Athena, and welcome to the Life Learning Institute. Have you ever wondered what to do when your ex wants you back? The answer might surprise you. It's not a simple yes or no. It's about taking a step back and really looking at the situation. You need to figure out what's best for you. Your happiness is what matters most. It's like when you're trying to decide whether to order pizza again. You loved it the first time, but do you really want the same thing again? Or are you ready to try something new? Relationships are kind of like that. Don't feel pressured to make a quick decision. This is your life, and you deserve to take your time. Think about it like this. You wouldn't buy a car without taking it for a test drive, right? So, before you jump back into something familiar, let's take a journey together. Let's be real. Dealing with an ex who wants you back can feel like you're on an emotional roller coaster. One minute you're happy, the next you're confused. It's a lot to handle. Don't beat yourself up for feeling this way. It's completely normal. Remember those old feelings, the love, the laughter, the connection. They might come rushing back. It's like they never left. But then, you might also remember the hurt, the fights, and the reasons why you broke up in the first place. It's like trying to solve a puzzle when you have all these mixed up emotions. Don't get overwhelmed. We're going to take it one piece at a time. The important thing is to acknowledge these feelings. Don't try to bury them or pretend they are not there. Let yourself feel them fully. Before you even think about getting back together, you need to understand why you broke up in the first place. What were the issues that drove you apart? Were they big things or small things? Think about it like this. If you were building a house and the foundation was cracked, would you just ignore it and keep building? No way. You'd fix the foundation first. Relationships are the same way. You've got to fix the cracks before you can build something strong. Take some time to reflect on the past. What were your arguments about? Was there a lack of communication? Were there trust issues? Be honest with yourself, even if it's painful. Remember, understanding the past is the key to creating a better future. Whether that future is with your ex or without them. Your heart holds the answer. Now, let's talk about your feelings. How do you really feel about your ex wanting you back? Are you excited, scared, confused? All of the above? That's okay. Your feelings are valid, no matter what they are. It's like when you try a new food for the first time. You might love it, you might hate it, or you might not be sure how you feel about it. It takes time to figure out your taste. The same goes for your feelings. Don't let anyone tell you how you should feel. This is your journey, and your feelings are your own. Trust your gut. It's usually right. Take some time for yourself. Write in a journal, talk to a trusted friend, or just sit with your thoughts. Charting your course. Here's the thing. The choice to reconnect or move on is entirely yours. It's not about what your ex wants, what your friends think, or what society says you should do. It's about what's right for you and your own personal growth. Think of it like this. You're the captain of your own ship. You get to decide where you want to go and who you want to bring along for the ride. Don't let anyone else steer your ship. Ask yourself some tough questions. Have you both grown and changed since the breakup? Are you both willing to put in the work to make the relationship healthy and strong? Or are you just holding on to the past? Remember, you deserve to be with someone who makes you happy, who respects you, and who supports your dreams. Don't settle for anything less. The power of reflection. Taking time for self-reflection is crucial in this situation. It's like looking in the mirror and really seeing yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses, your hopes, your fears. It's about understanding who you are and what you want out of life. Think of it like this. You can't pour from an empty cup. You need to take care of yourself first before you can be in a healthy relationship. Ask yourself, what did I learn from this past relationship? How have I grown as a person? What are my non-negotiables in a partner? What are my goals for the future? By reflecting on these questions, you gain clarity. You start to see the path ahead more clearly, and you can make decisions that are aligned with your values and your vision for your entire life. Moving forward with confidence. Now that you've taken the time to reflect on your feelings, the reasons for the breakup, and your desires for the future, it's time to move forward with confidence. No matter what you decide, trust that you're making the best choice for yourself. It's like learning to ride a bike. It might feel scary and uncertain at first, but once you find your balance and start pedaling, it becomes exhilarating. Remember, you are strong, capable, and worthy of love. Don't be afraid to say yes to love if it feels right, and don't be afraid to say no if it doesn't. Your happiness is what matters most. Thank you for watching. Remember, the most important thing is to prioritize your own well-being and happiness. If this guide was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like, and share it with others who might be facing the same dilemma. Don't forget to subscribe to the Life Learning Institute for more relationship advice and personal growth tips. Until next time, stay strong and trust your instincts.